Welcome to Bibojan channel.
F for fish and F for fish, 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 fish. F for frog and F for frog, 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 frog. G for good and G for good, 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 good. G for grass and G for grass, G for grass and G for grass, 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 grass. H for hen and H for hen, 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 hen. H for horse and H for horse, ha, ha, ha. I for input, I for input, E, E, E. I for insect, I for insect, E, E, E. J for juice and J for juice, 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 juice. J for jug and J for jug, 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 jug. Jug, 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 jug.